everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am indeed ready to give these two conditioner a bit of a lowdown. I'm dead confused as to which one is, both of them I like, but one more than the other. So I thought there's only one way to settle this argument. Before I start, I want to show you guys what my texture is looking like. My hair has been washed on this clip, so I purposely left it to kind of dryish. It's like almost like 90% dry because I want to apply this conditioner on dry hair. So I'm in love with that new relaxer. So that is what my texture is looking like. Love it, love it, love it. Right, so I'm going to apply these two conditioner, one on one side. One is coconut and one is macadamia. Both of them claim to do wonders. I already know, well, I kind of have an idea which one I'm preferring more than the others. So do you guys remember I told you when in my previous video that I bought three when I picked them up. So I also got the Evive no cut leave-in conditioner as well as the mask. I've used the leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. Loved it. I've not used the deep treatment on that range yet. So let's put these two bad boys to try because I mean, it's just, these are conditioner I would normally not give a second look, but all of a sudden I'm completely hooked. So on this side I'm using the coconut one to completely saturate my hair. I applied it as if I were applying a relaxer. I want every inch of my hair to be covered because my hair is relaxed and it's somewhat weak. If you are watching this and your hair is Caucasian or maybe your hair is not even afro at all, I do recommend you apply this conditioner mid-length on your hair because this is a very, very moisturizing conditioner. So for somebody who have Caucasian hair, I can see this weighing your hair down. So definitely mid-length down, that's where you want to apply it. But in my case, my hair is relaxed. That means every inch of it is somewhat, damaged. So I've moved on to the other side. I'm going to move on to the other side. I will use the macadamia on the other side. Both conditioners went on really well because the texture of them remind me of the ORL's replenishing conditioner. It's just the right amount of consistency. It's not too runny. It's not too hard, like proper concentrated like my Queen Helen, where more than half of the time I have to kind of dilute it down with oil to get it to be slightly liquidy. This one, the consistency is awesome. It just glides through the hair. Now, I move on to combing the hair through. This is something I don't do often. I want to comb it too, obviously, because I'm putting these two conditioners to test, so I know exactly which one I'm getting more of. This is the first side at the tangle was the macadamia one, and the hair, there was a little bit hair on the brush, but not a lot. Sorry, that was the coconut side. So the side I'm working on now, this is the macadamia side. The coming through the macadamia side, I could feel this resistant. Comb wasn't gliding through as easily as it was on the coconut side. I don't know, you can feel that resistance. I didn't have that trouble detangling the other side. It does not mean that other conditioner, the macadamia one, is bad, but it just means my hair is preferring, so far, is preferring definitely the coconut one, which is the mid color. So the resistance I felt on the other side, and there was definitely more hair on the comb when I finished detangling the macadamia side. So that is that side, this one is the side, so you do the math. So I wrap it up with cling film and go under the dryer for 20 minutes. So so far so good. The coconut one is definitely in the lead. The macadamia one is okay, but it's early days. So I went under the dryer for 20 minutes. Although the instruction said 5 minutes, but I wanted to really give this a thorough try to see what is what. 20 minutes, that's what I went under the dryer for. When I came out and rinsed it out, boy, my hair was soft on both sides. Soft, 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 like unbelievably soft, and it smells amazing. So like I do normally, I went in and slightly finger separate my hair and move on to detangling. Now on this hair is just rinsed out. That conditioner was just rinsed out. No leave-in, no detangler, not even my so-called Menatel. Nothing has come into my hair other than the fact that I've just rinsed out these deep conditioners. Went under the dryer, 20 minutes, and rinse it out. Now I want to give myself a quick detangling session and see what is what. Oh boy, absolute amazing, the best. These two conditioners have proved me what I kind of already have an idea of. Comb were just gliding through. The macadamia one, the stiffness I felt when I was applying the conditioner, that did not quite, it wasn't as much when after rinsing it out. So that is the macadamia side. There was slightly more hair on the brush than there was than I found during this other side of the coconut one. So it still performed very well, don't get me wrong. That one still do its job. I still felt that softness. My hair was soft. It wasn't as the stiffness I felt, that wasn't the case now that I've been under the dryer and rinse the conditioner out. But on the coconut side, there was literally one, I don't know, something like 2 strands of hair coming out. While that side, the macadamia side, looks like maybe 3 or 4 strands. But all in all, I'm not gonna knock that conditioner either. So far so good. I move on to finish up my detangling process. I'm absolutely buzzing, guys. Buzz in. So this conditioner was on sales. I've already picked a couple more from my local booth. That's where I got this from. They were selling them on half. They were on sales for half price. So I picked a couple more. So just getting things together for the colder month to come. I don't know what else to say, guys, other than the fact that if I were to rate these two conditioners, I definitely will give the macadamia one a 8. And clearly, from what I've just discovered, though that is the thingy, what's it called? The hair I lost on both sessions. So that is not bad. So I will give the coconut oil definitely a massive 10. Hair felt soft. I mean, I know I'm only 2 weeks post relaxer, but still, all your hair is soft or isn't. Which one is? I mean, all that conditioner make your hair soft instantly, or it doesn't. And both of this conditioner did exactly that. I'm so pleased. So this is the end of the video, guys. I will talk to you on the next one. Ciao.